Hello friends. The title of today's topic is Why are Jat and Maratha community demanding reservation? Jat and Maratha community are the dominant caste. The concept of dominant caste was given by M.N. Srinivas, the eminent sociologist. The dominant caste has three characteristics. First, they are land owning caste. In any village, Jat and Maratha community possess large proportion of land in Haryana and Maharashtra. Second, their proportion in total population is comparatively high. For example, Maratha constitutes around 30% of Maharashtra's population. Jat constitute around 25% of Haryana population. Thirdly, it is observed that these dominant castes are politically very powerful in their respective state. So, Maratha in Maharashtra, Jat in Haryana, and Reddis in South India are politically powerful. Now, question is, why these dominant castes are demanding reservation? The reservation is related to admission in higher educational institutions and jobs in government service. It is also observed that they are demanding reservation because mostly to get jobs in government sector. As they are land owning community, they are comparatively well off. So they could easily take good education. Now, in last 1.5 decades, this qualified young generation seeks to get employment. As this caste had no reservation in government sector, so they have to compete with higher caste people to get job in public sector or government sector. It is very difficult for them to compete with the higher caste. So, these Maratha, Jat and Reddis have the second option. The second option is to get job in private sector. But private sector demands more skills, which many times Jat, Maratha or Reddis youth do not have. Secondly, if they get job in the private sector, they have to start from the lower level of hierarchy. In private sector, salaries are comparatively low compared to government sector at a lower level. So, the dominant caste calculation regarding investment in education and returns through the jobs are dismal or unattractive. It is observed that the salary gap between private sector and government sector at a lower level is around 40 to 50%. So most of the young generations are reluctant to join the private sector. They are more interested to join the public sector or government sector. To conclude, as agriculture income is in declining mode in last 2 decades, this land owning community wanted to secure their regular income by getting job in public sector or government sector. Thank you for watching my video.